Artful time, come on, grab your friends. We'll go learn, have fun, and explore the bends. With Artful, your next door neighbor, the fun will never end. Artful time.
Hi, I'm Artemis. What time is it?
It's Artful time!
That's right. Welcome to my backyard garden, where I plant all sorts of plants I love. Look at my cactus here. It's bearing fruits for me. Do you know what fruits are these?
The dragon fruit!
That's right. They are called dragon fruits, and it starts with the fourth letter of the alphabet. Do you know which is it?
Letter D!
That's right again. Dragon fruit starts with the letter D. Let's spell dragon fruit together. Ready? Start. D R A G O N F R U I T. Dragon fruit. Good job. Did you know dragon fruit is also known as pitaya or strawberry pear? It's packed with antioxidants and fiber, which can boost your immune system, aid digestion, and promote gut health. It's used in smoothies, juices, salads, and desserts, adding a unique color and texture. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you, much appreciated. You can ask your parents to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss new videos from Artful Time.